Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Ricky Top 365. My name is Rick and this is your channel. So I am going to be doing a test today with the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition and the Sony Professional MDR 7506. So pretty much I'm going to place my headphones just like this. You will see them on once I go there, side to side, and then you will see the GoPro sitting right here, okay, which is about 3 inches. And then I'm gonna be playing some music out of these speakers, out of these headphones, and then I'm gonna be changing the settings. Okay, so hopefully you guys like the video, and this is another way for you guys to improve your audio without having to buy the $50 dongle and another $60 microphone, which I have, but I've been trying to find the best settings for the best onboard microphones with the GoPro Hero 7s and below, and I will be showing you that right now. Let's go. Okay guys, so this right here is with the Pro 2 Send to on just on the audio to stereo only. I'm sorry, to auto. Okay guys, so this right here in Pro Tune is set up to stereo to auto and 0 or off in the raw audio. Let's go, 10 seconds. All right guys, now with the music. Okay guys, in this setting will be raw audio on low. Okay guys, this right here is raw audio on medium. Okay guys, this is raw audio on high. Okay guys, this is win only, raw video off. Okay guys, this is win only, raw video on medium. Okay guys, this is raw audio. This is actually a medium. The one before was on a low. Last one with the wind noise reduction, raw video on high. Okay guys, now we're moving to stereo, wind reduction off. This one is in stereo, raw audio low. This one is on stereo, raw audio medium. And the last one, raw stereo, This is stereo, raw audio on high. So guys, which ones you like the most? I mean, just let me know in the comments below. I'm trying to see every different setting so I can improve my audio on my vlogging when I'm going around with my GoPro, because I really like the 7. I am not ready yet to invest on a GoPro Hero 8 with all the gear, with all the accessories. You know, they're not going to be released until next year, and I want to maximize my use out of my GoPro Hero 7. So hopefully, like you, we get to a good conclusion. I will probably do another video. A matter of fact, I'm gonna listen to them, and then I'm gonna do my take on these samples.